Hey guys, I'm super excited. Build out here, I am super excited to show you my 3 posters on how to build, run, and shut down a PMO. This is awesome. Well, first of all, we've got the 12 steps, right? It all comes from my book, the PMO Lifecycle, Building, Running, and Shutting Down. We've got the 12 steps here, starting with a plan, creating your staples, right? PMO training, and then celebrate. So I'm super excited about that. That could be on your office wall. It's on my office wall. I'm absolutely loving these. All right, let's run over to running a PMO. And so there's 10 steps there. Again, they all come from my book, the PMO Lifecycle. 10 steps there, defining the color definitions, setting up the CR process, the weekly checklists, right? Executing and getting PMO reports together and dashboards together, so excited about that. And then finally, and I know we don't love talking about this subject, I get that, but it's about how to shut down a PMO. And I put that in there because a lot of PMO managers really get stuck in shutting down a PMO. So what's that look like? There's 7 key steps. Creating a schedule, you gotta have a schedule. Reviewing your resources, that's a critical part of really shutting down a PMO. Financial, your buddy systems, backing the material up, and then finally your PMO shut down. Again, all this material is all based on my book, the PMO Lifecycle, Building, Running, and Shutting Down, and based on my online course, the same name, Building, Running, and Shutting Down, the PMO Lifecycle online course. So super excited to show these posters. They have been in the works for a little while, and I know a lot of people have been asking for them, so they're available now. Check it out on my store online. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye.